Welcome back, scale modelers, to SMKR. This is Steve. Up next is the Testors Model Master Jade Grenade. This is a 1/25th resin and metal kit. Welcome back. This is the Model Master Jade Grenade drag bike, kit number 468. It's made up of resin and metal and is designed by Tom Taylor. This, of course, is for the advanced modeler. Let's look at the box. Usual Model Master cardboard boxing for this. This was a 1996 release. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And of course, this is a fictional motorcycle put out by Jimmy Flintstone. Let's look inside, see the contents here. This is put out by Testors, also a Jimmy Flintstone kit. Just a single page layout, giving a description on how to build it and what steps to follow in building it. This is for the advanced modeler. In another bag was photo-etch parts, a clear piece of acetate, and a resin clear piece for the headlight. The clear headlight is yellowed a little bit from time, from age. And a close-up of the photo-etch. Included in another bag are some white metal parts. Let's get a close look. Here are the resin parts. Crisp, clear castings. No air bubbles whatsoever. Front fairing, and the front fender. Just a little bit of cleanup required on all these. And there you have it. This was the Testors Model Master Jade Grenade from Jimmy Flintstone in resin, white metal, and Photo-etch. This is for the advanced modeler who has experience with working with resin, Photo-etch, and white metal. Kit number 468. Head on down there, hit the like button, please subscribe. Happy modeling, everybody. All kit reviews have been purchased by me, unless otherwise noted. I do this for the benefit of all scale modelers. Thank you for your support.
I knew I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque. Oh well.